Hi friends, welcome to Cooking Stories. Today we will see a quick and variety way of preparing soya chunks. So let's get started. In a pan, we will add around 3 tablespoons of oil. Now we will add 1 cup of mini soya chunks which we have soaked in hot water for 5 minutes, and then we have washed it again with regular water and then squeezed all the water from the chunks. Now we will add half teaspoon salt and a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well and fry it on high flame for around 5 minutes till soya chunks start to turn light brown in color. Once done, keep it aside. In a separate vessel, we will heat around 2 tablespoons of oil. Once oil is hot enough, we will add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, and few curry leaves. Now saute it till mustard seeds start to splutter. Now we will add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and saute it for few seconds till its raw smell goes away. Now we will add around 3 medium onions sliced nicely. Mix it well. We will add 1.5 teaspoons of salt and saute it till its color starts to change. Now we will add around a handful of coconut pieces. Mix it well. And 3 green chillies sliced from middle. Now we will saute it on medium flame till onions turn golden brown in color. Onions have turned golden brown in color. Now we will add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chilli powder, 1.5 tablespoons of coriander powder. Mix it well. And we will add around half teaspoon of Garam Masala. Now saute this for few seconds till masalas are cooked well and a nice aroma starts coming out. Now we will add around 3 tomatoes chopped into small pieces. Give it a good mix. Close the lid and cook it till it turns soft and mushy. We need to mix it in between and make sure it does not get burned. Our tomatoes are now soft and cooked well. Now we will add our fried soya chunks into it. Give it a good mix and make sure all the spices are combined well. Now close the lid and cook it again for 2 more minutes. At this point, you can check for salt and you can add more as per your taste. It's been 2 minutes. Now we will add a handful of coriander leaves. Mix it nicely. At the end, add around half teaspoon of fennel seeds powder. Give it a good mix. Finally, switch off the flame and close the lid. Try out this tasty recipe. Serve it hot with chapatis or puris. If you enjoyed watching our videos, do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for our future videos.